We had this TORO since last year, and all of a sudden it stopped turning on. You can hear it cranking, but it's not turning on. It can go on and on until it kills the battery, but it does not turn on. It wouldn't matter if choke open or closed, the result is the same, it just doesn't turn on. I checked everything. I checked gas, changed it, added seafoam, changed the spark plug, everything was fine. It just doesn't work. So if you have the same issue, there is the problem. When you look under here, you have your ignition wires, you have your little screen, LCD screen, and you have your cable that goes to the choke. And the thing is that when you pull it up or down, it's supposed to move the cable. When you trace the cable all the way around there, comes to here. So the problem is in this cable, it doesn't operate this part. It doesn't move it up or down. So if we will move it manually and open, it should start.